Hello everyone. Now I will conduct a short video review of the KNORR-BREMSE dealer diagnostic equipment. Let's look at the basic kit for working with semi-trailers with a KNORR brake system, then we'll talk about the functionality and at the end of the video we'll connect to our stand, perform diagnostics. Let's go. This is the basic KNORR-BREMSE kit for working with semi-trailers. Here we have a SUDIV, original interface. The cable is for connecting to the laptop, but we also use a second cable with it. This is a MOXA, so that we can connect via USB port. Then the cable for connecting to the semi-trailer, the transfer, everyone calls it differently. This is our side where a semi-trailer is inserted, this is a tractor. And an intermediate cable for connection to the device and transfer. Regarding the functionality. Diagnostics, parameterization tests, programming. We provide a full level of programming access for semi-trailers, that is, we have a pin license file that allows you to change the braking force, bind modulators and other programming functions. There is also a separate program for tractors. She has 3 access levels: Neo Green, Orange, Blue. But now we are still considering a set for semi-trailers, we will not delve into tractors. We must understand that there is a different program for tractors, trucks, and semi-trailers. Now let's move to the stand, perform diagnostics. Look at what the program looks like, and at the same time I will demonstrate that we really have a full level of access for trailers. We move to our stand to perform diagnostics. We usually check the equipment at this stand before sending it to the customer. Mercedes, DAF, Eyelid, MAN, Scania, KNORR, Vapka. Before we ship, we check and ship already. Now I'll connect this whole thing, I'll connect it, and we'll move closer to the laptop, see the program, how it all looks, but for now I'll connect everything. I'll turn on the power now. And now closer to the computer. Let me show you everything again now, how I connected it, and go to the computer, to the screen. There is power, everything is connected here. Please note that this intermediate cable that goes from the device to the transfer needs to be connected to the cable that comes out from the side of the semi-trailer, otherwise some people confuse and connect to that, and then they call and say Stanislav, but nothing works for us. Or they even forget to connect this other side of the reverse to the tractor. We just have everything assembled a little differently here at the stand. There the power goes immediately, which in theory should drag. In general, I can honestly be wrong, since I am not a diagnostician, but this is not accurate, I can be wrong. Let's move on to the monitor and the program. Let's run the program and perform diagnostics. As I said earlier, I will show that we have a full level of programming access, that is, with backs. We have an update from 2022 year. So, data is being read from the control unit. The block we have there is a modulator according to the KNORR, it is not fresh of course. For verification, demonstration of this is enough. Here we have read all the information here. You can even go into show errors. Will a detailed description show us anything? No, we'll see now. Yes, there is some information. Okay, let's not go into it yet. Now we need to roll back. Checking system components, wheel speed, and so on. Now I want to come in, that's right. Now he is combining anew, yeah. That's what says that we have a full access level. You can go to the braking tab here and change the configuration here. Here we can also change the value. If we did not have a full access level, then a couple of windows would be available here, a couple of one, we would not be able to change the rest. Of course, I won't show you anything else here. I'm not a professional car electrician. Still, my direction is slightly different, but I can tell you something and show you. I have a direction to help clients, provide technical support, provide them with solutions for auto scanners, installing or updating programs. This is my area. The diagnostic area is a little bit. That's what other people are doing. Write in the comments what else you would like to see, what to show, tell. I will try to collect all the material and record something interesting for you next time. If you have any questions, you may also want to get some advice. Under this video I will leave contacts for which you can write or call, as it is more convenient for you, and get feedback from us. Bye, everyone.